Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Kaustubh back with another video, and you might be wondering why am I wearing this cap. It is basically because to control my hair is going crazy long, so that's why I am wearing this cap. So talking about today's video, as you have clicked on the title of the video, it is my story with OnePlus devices and why I prefer buying OnePlus devices at all, and this is a sort of a story or a flashback you might say. So starting the video, I would basically like to go into my smartphone history as to my first smartphone. So my first ever smartphone was the Samsung Galaxy Note 2, which I bought in 2012, and it was a great device. Like, it had all this note features with a stylus in it, which is the S Pen, and it costed me for about around 30,000 INR sort of in 2012. And I used it for about a year and a half. Not, I actually used it for 5 years, but after using it for a year and a half, I noticed that the TouchWiz software which used to come with Android Skin, it was not that great. It used to lag, like really lag bad. So it was like more of a lagwiz than a TouchWiz. So in that case scenario, I came across this whole development community, routing, modding, custom firmwares and all that kind of stuff. So I rooted my Android phone, my Galaxy Note 2, and got onto a custom ROM. So the custom ROM which I selected was a stock Android ROM, and after using it for about a month or so, I guess in that time, I was quite amazed by the performance and the capabilities, the smoothness which it provided. I was just blown away, because the original Samsung skin was not that great. It was not well optimized, whereas stock Android, which just absolutely awesome. I really loved it. So I used the Galaxy Note 2 for about 5 years, almost till 2016, late 2017, in mid 2017, and finally it started to give up. The camera started to act crazy. It was not able to focus. The focus motor was out. So eventually I had to buy a new phone. So at that point, while buying a new phone, the main parameters which I was looking for were that it should have stock Android firstly, and second thing is that it should have a great hardware, like top of the line hardware. So I came across OnePlus somehow, like looking at the reviews online. I came across OnePlus. OnePlus was a new brand. I was not that sure about it, but then I just gave it a try, and it was first love, guys. It was absolutely first love for me, and I got the OnePlus 3T in 2017. Again, it costed me 34,000 something, I guess. Yeah. So that's how much it costed me, the OnePlus 3T in 2017, and it was having top of the line hardware, great specs like Snapdragon 800 series processor and all that kind of good stuff. So I was using it for about a year and a half. After that, issue popped up is with the display. So what happened to the display was that some purple pixels, I should say, or dead pixels started to appear on the display, due to which the display was like started to like literally go dead from one side of the screen, from the top right corner basically. So right now I was having two choices, whether to get it fixed or buy a new phone. So eventually I asked my father, and my father told me to get it replaced. So I got to the service center, and I came to know that it cost about 7,000 rupees to replace the display, and somehow I did it. Like, it costed me a bomb of 7,000 rupees. I was quite pissed about it, but nonetheless I got it fixed. Again, I used it for about then 6 to 7 months, I guess, and that time was basically the time of bezel-less smartphones. Like notch has started to appear on smartphones, screen, like full vision displays that started to pop up on smartphones, and I was quite amazed by that technology. And at that point, again, as always, OnePlus launched their newest smartphone, which was the OnePlus 6, and I just couldn't resist buying it. So I somehow convinced my dad to get me a OnePlus 6, and luckily I got it. I'm quite thankful to my mom and dad for that. So I got the OnePlus 6, and I used it for about a year and a half, and in that usage period, basically, I never thought about upgrading. It was that good. Like, new smartphones used to come and go, but never came a single thought in my mind that I should upgrade it. It was that good. Oxygen OS with top of the line hardware, that best display, best looking 1080p panel with bezel-less and that small notch was just awesome combo for me. But somehow bad luck caught up to me, and it got stolen. Yes, it got stolen. It got robbed from me. Basically, now you might have a question how it got stolen. So I stay in Mumbai, and to commute from my college to home or vice versa, I use the local train service. So in that way only, one day I was coming back from my college to home, and while boarding the train, after boarding the train, I realized my phone is gone. Yes, it was gone. Like, I didn't even feel it that it was gone, but after realizing it is gone, it was just gone. And then again, police complaint and all that kind of stuff, and I was pissed off. So now I don't have a smartphone again. My old OnePlus 3T, my dad was using it, so he was using the 3T, and the only spare phone which I had was the Moto G5 Plus. So it was my mom's old phone, so that was the only choice I had. So when I got it, then I started using it basically for about 2 to 3 weeks, and again I got bored out with the stock features. Like, the stock Android is great, but it was like too basic. It didn't have any damn feature in it. So eventually, being a hardcore Android enthusiast again, I have to root the phone, get a custom ROM on it, and got the phone up to my taste as I like. So installed the firmware. I was happy with it for a week or two. Again, it started troubling me because it was a mid-range phone, and using it in 2019, it was also launched in somewhat 2017, mid 2017. So using it in 2020 was a trouble because it used to lag a lot in daily tasks, like social media and all that normal apps. It used to lag like crazy. So then a thought came into my mind: why should I not ask my father to give me the OnePlus 3T, and he should buy himself the new OnePlus 7T. So again, I convinced my father, and luckily my father got himself a OnePlus 7T, and eventually I got his old OnePlus 3T, which I previously used to use. So again, I got the 3T. I was happy with it for a couple of days, but the stock Oxygen OS, it was running on Android 9. It was the last update it had. So after using it for a couple of weeks, I was bored because it was not that stable enough. Battery life was taking quite a hit. So again, being a hardcore Android enthusiast, I again had to root, put a custom firmware on it, and boom, again I had a brand new phone, like working sort of a brand new phone. And I was happy with it again. It is still now working flawless. It is like, I started using it in Feb or March, I guess. So till now it is working fine. It is right now running the CR Droid Android 9 custom ROM, and battery life is great, performance is great, gaming is not that great, it's okay. I don't even play a lot of games on phone, so it is okay. Like, it doesn't matter. Camera is also quite great. So yeah, so that's how my journey has been, and this is how I ended up buying 3 smartphones from OnePlus, which is the OnePlus 3T, the OnePlus 6, and the OnePlus 7T. As of now, I don't have any plans to upgrade to the OnePlus 8 series because I personally feel that OnePlus has lost its charm regarding the whole flagship killer and the budget flagship thing. So we will see in the future if OnePlus again adopts its old style of never settle. So due to that reason only, I'm not planning to go for any further OnePlus phones. I'm quite happy with the 3T as of now. I will see how it goes for me, and if I get one, I will do let you know, guys. Also, the review for all these 3 phones is up. You can check it out in the card which is popping here. So all of these phones which I bought is not obviously with my own money. It is due to my parents, my mom and dad. I'm really grateful to them. This is how my story was with OnePlus devices, and for whatsoever reason, if you like this video, guys, please hit the like button down below, and also get subscribed to my channel for more awesome content. This is your boy Kaustubh from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.